Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the detailed process of repairing your Thermomix TM31, specifically focusing on the plate, blade, and measuring cup. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a cleaning brush, and a microfiber cloth. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety. Remove the base screws using the Phillips screwdriver. There are typically 6 screws on the bottom, make sure to keep them in a safe place. Next, gently lift the base cover off to expose the internal components. Once inside, inspect the blade for any signs of damage or wear. If the blade is dull, you may want to consider a replacement. To remove the blade, use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it out. Be cautious not to damage the surrounding parts. If you need assistance with diagnosis or replacement, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the right solution for your Thermomix. After removing the blade, take the cleaning brush and remove any food debris or buildup inside the unit. This is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. You can also use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe down the internal areas, ensuring everything is clean and ready for reassembly. Next, let's focus on the measuring cup. Check for cracks or chips. If damaged, it will need replacement. If you are unsure about the condition of your measuring cup, we can help with a quote before repair, so you know what to expect financially. Now, reinstall the blade by gently pushing it back into place. Ensure it is secure and properly aligned. Replace the base cover and screw it back in using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to tighten the screws firmly but avoid over-tightening, which can cause damage. If you prefer to avoid the hassle of repairs yourself, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process effortless. Finally, after reassembling your Thermomix TM31, take a moment to check the functionality. Plug the unit back in and run a quick test to ensure everything is working smoothly. If you encounter any issues, please reach out. We provide no calls, no travel service, making it easy for you to get your appliance serviced without the inconvenience of leaving your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.